And we show this with this diagram. And we're going to take our time and explain it. We have an enhanced form of this diagram, but this one is a step down. At the right time, we'll bring the enhanced form of the diagram. But let us see from the bottom, where we have shown that half of the journey has been completed. The bottom, which is the fourth stage. Over there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spheres. Each of the spheres has 7 movements, and each movement could last millions of years. The fourth stage, where we are now, is indicating that we are left with 3.5 movements to make on the sphere. After that, we'll move to the next sphere, and we'll move on it 7 times. Then we move again to the next one, which is on the 6th stage, another 7 rounds. Then we move to the 7th stage, we'll have another 7 movements. That movement is for those who are on the broad way, as we can see indicated over there. Now, in the middle of the U, you find another way, the narrow path, that goes straight to perfection, back to God. So we are showing by this diagram the narrow path and also the broad way. The person on the narrow path completes this faster than the one on the broad way, but both, depending on the work done, are bound to reach perfection, except those who do not qualify.